Lord Jesus. Look, y'all. Is y'all seeing this shit, man?
So we're having another storm in Texas right now. And you want to see why we can't handle this? Our houses are not built for this. My house is flooding right now because my water line burst. And I've been trying to turn my water off for 20 minutes. But I can't because our lines are frozen solid. So my whole house is flooding. And I'm down here trying to turn the water lines off that I had to dig out, but they're frozen solid. And my water meter is just spinning because my pipes burst and it's flooding. And this is why we are not meant for this. Our houses are not meant to deal with this. I was able to get the water turned off, and now my bedroom is flooded. My bathroom is flooded.
Look at this. This is terrible. We don't know how to shut the water off. We call the people and they talking about waiting till business hours. And we need an emergency shutdown. Our water pipes has busted and my ceiling's falling through. My house is flooding out. This is fucking terrible. Oh my God. Look at this. Just look at it.
Here in Texas, we're dealing with snow, icy roads, no electricity, and this bullshit.
Checking out my pool. Let's see. Yep. It's ice.
Houses in Texas are falling apart from this weather.
Family has lived in this neighborhood for 28 years now almost, and oh my God, I'm watching all of these trees fall and collapse around me, and it's breaking my heart. Here's a little update of there used to be a lot of limbs right there. Those are back over there. That used to be right here. This big run! Stay! That was just now coming down. Keep him in the garage, please. Oh my God. There used to be a whole bunch of trees right there. It's no longer there anymore. They're all on the ground. Some over there came down. Had a whole
not including everything I passed on my way to get here. Oh shit, there it goes again. This is the worst we've ever seen it out here. And we've been coming out here for over 20 years.
Why weren't the people of Texas told that their pipes may burst when the temperature in their homes gets below 32 degrees? I don't understand this. I've been selling real estate since 1999 in Massachusetts, and if I were a realtor in Texas, I would have been warning my sphere of influence. It would have been a great marketing opportunity. What about the insurance companies? Why weren't they telling their customers? Why weren't they warning their customers? This is a disaster. I mean, the properties in Texas are built differently because they don't get the weather we get up here. It's terrible.
And now I'm getting inside my house. It's full of water.
Oh my god. My house.
That's the living room or the entrance of the house.
Oh my god.
As you see, it's water everywhere. All the carpet, the rugs. It's full of water. Even the kitchen, it's full of water. And here's our game room. The roof fall down, all the couches, all this in the first floor. That's the game room roof. All the electronic stuff, it's got damage. The carpet, the couches, the TV.
Let's try it. It's working. It's our volcano.
I don't think he's gonna go.
He's going.
Remember?